Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to block someone on Discord using the latest update on the desktop app. Whether you're dealing with someone spamming your messages or you just want a little peace and quiet, blocking is a simple way to keep your experience on Discord enjoyable and distraction-free. Let's get started. The first step is to open your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once the app is open, you'll see your list of servers and friends on the left side of the screen. From here, navigate to the chat of the person you'd like to block. You can find them either in your friends list or from a direct message chat. After you've located their chat, move your mouse over their name. Now, right-click on the chat. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says Block. Click on Block, and Discord will immediately prompt you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and click Confirm, and that's it. You've successfully blocked the person. Once you do this, the blocked user won't be able to send you direct messages, and their messages in shared servers will appear collapsed, so you don't have to see them unless you choose to expand them. Blocking is completely private, so the other person won't receive a notification telling them they've been blocked. It simply removes their ability to bother you directly. If at any point you change your mind, you can always go back to their chat, right-click, and select Unblock just as easily. Discord gives us these tools so that we can control who we interact with and maintain a safe, comfortable environment online. Taking just a few quick steps helps you create the space you want, and each update makes the process smoother and more straightforward. So that's all it takes. Open the Discord app, find their chat, right-click, select Block, and confirm. Thanks for watching.